In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate reports in DocuSign. Whether you're managing a small business or handling personal documents, understanding how to access and interpret reports in DocuSign can be incredibly valuable. We'll go through each step together to ensure you feel confident in navigating the platform on your own. First, let's head over to the DocuSign homepage. If you aren't already logged in, take a moment to enter your credentials. Once you've arrived at the home screen, you'll notice a clean interface with multiple options. Here, our focus is to locate and click on the Reports section. The Reports feature is your gateway to a plethora of valuable data regarding your document activities, so finding it is an essential part of mastering DocuSign. Upon clicking Reports, you'll be taken to a new page with various report categories. Here, you'll find a tab labeled All. Let's click on that next. This section is where you can find a comprehensive overview of all your reports. It's quite handy to see a summary of different data points that can help you track everything from document completions to user activities. As we explore further, you may want to narrow down your focus to specific data. For that, look for the option labeled Recipient. Clicking here allows you to access detailed reports about the recipients of your documents. This is particularly useful if you need to track who interacted with your documents and how they engaged with them, which can be critical for accountability and record keeping. Next, let's turn our attention to envelope reports. Clicking on this option provides insights into the number of envelopes, essentially document packages, that have been sent and their status. Envelopes are fundamental to how DocuSign operates, grouping related documents into one package. Monitoring them ensures you have a real-time grasp of your document workflow efficiency. Lastly, we have the usage reports. You'll want to click on this to get an overview of how often your DocuSign account is being utilized, including detailed data on document transactions and app usage. This information can significantly inform decisions on optimizing your plan or resources to better suit your needs. Navigating these reports may initially seem daunting, but with regular use, you'll find them incredibly straightforward. These comprehensive data sets provide the insight needed to understand and optimize your document management process. By taking the time to explore each section, all recipient, envelope, and usage, you empower yourself with data-driven decisions for any business or personal project you undertake. That wraps up our guide on navigating reports in DocuSign. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more tips and tutorials to enhance your DocuSign experience.